Alright, let's do Shadows over Innistrad, booster opening number 3. I did get Foil Fortified Village, which I think's not bad because I think these lands are going to skyrocket and stay the best duels, basically, other than the original duels, in my opinion at least. So, let's see what we got here. We got some Nagging Thoughts, Chaplain's Blessing. Gain 5 life, 1 white. Beautiful. Explosive Apparatus. Hound of the Farbogs. Ethereal Guidance. Vessel of Nascency, or Nascency. Twins of Morer Estate. Structural Distortion here. There we go. First uncommon, Not Forgotten. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Silver Strike. They're not bad. Destroy target attacking creature and gain 3 life. Pretty awesome white card. And a Graph Mole. Another gain life. Whenever you sacrifice a clue, you gain 3 life. Alright, what do we think the rare is going to be? Silver Fur Partisan. Trample. Whenever a wolf or werewolf you control becomes the target of an instant or sorcery spell, put a 2/2 green wolf creature token onto the battlefield. That's not bad. That's not bad. And we got our uncommon flip card. Skin Invasion and Skin Shredder. Sweet. And a rare. What? We got 2 of them? And we're Militia Captain. It's not bad. Westfield Cult Leader. Huh. Sweet. And our clue.